Hello, I'm Rory, one of the sales consultants here at Tangelo. Today I have the pleasure of showing you around the AMG C43 estate. I hope you enjoy the video. A quick overview on the vehicle. This car is absolutely loaded with factory extras and it's bristling with useful technology. Now the car is on a 66 plate with just 3 owners. Now this car's got full Mercedes-Benz service history. The last one was an A service done at only 11,000 miles. The vehicle itself is just done over 11,400 miles, so it's extremely low mileage for the age, and it's also got a nice long MOT until November 2023 later this year. The car comes in metallic grey with the night package, which makes the car look absolutely stunning with the contrast. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you can see this vehicle has the AMG body styling kit with the iconic front grille and the twin spoke 19-inch alloys. What we also have is the LED intelligent light system with active high beam assist. Now, taking a look under the bonnet, we've got the 3-litre V6 bi-turbo engine. Known for its performance, it puts out 362 brake horsepower, doing 0 to 62 in only 4.8 seconds. Now this must be one of the best estate vehicles on the market, having both the fun of the performance of the vehicle as well as the convenience of the big boot and extra space. So you can fit any of your day-to-day essentials in the back, as well as having fun while driving. Now it does have a pano roof, which is great for weather like today, where you can actually use it for the heat and it gives you that extra bit of comfort. So you've got the black contrasting trims just there, as well as the black contrasting wing mirrors, which do fold in. This vehicle also comes with the convenience of keyless entry. Moving on to the rear of the vehicle, the AMG body styling continues with the rear spoiler and rear sports diffuser surrounding the quad exhausts, which do make an absolutely stunning noise. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, straight away you've got the convenience of the electronic tailgate. And then you've also got the boot lid cover, which means you're not going to get your boot really dirty. It's easy to clean. You can remove it and just wash it off and put it straight back in. You've also got a retractable parcel shelf, so should you want it to just tuck in, you just simply pull it down like so, and you have more boot space. You can also remove the parcel shelf to give you that extra boot space should you need it. Now the boot comes with plenty of space with 490 litres up and 1,510 litres down, giving you plenty of room. Moving on to the interior of the vehicle, now this has got to be one of my personal favourites. It's got the black ashwood design with the electric seats and heated seats on the door, which you don't get on any other brand. You also have things like the Bemesta sound system, which gives you a great quality of music. So when you're listening to your favourite songs, you can sing along and have a great time. The vehicle also has a flat bottom steering wheel, which brings onto that sporty dynamic look. And you've got the red seat belts, which again, you only get on the AMG products, which is another iconic feature of this vehicle. Now it has the red stitching, which again gives it that different look and makes the car just stick out that bit more. You've also got the 8-inch screen, which gives you plenty of view when you're looking at your navigation and scrolling through your music, as well as a heads-up display, which we won't catch it on the video, but it is really useful when driving as it shows you your speed going through. We also have the black leather AMG seats, which come with the red contrast stitching as well, which look really great. And onto my personal favourite feature of the vehicle is how well you can customise the sports settings. So you have multiple different drive modes. You can also adjust the exhaust noise, which opens up valves, making the most of the quad exhaust. And you even have adjustable suspension. And even though this vehicle is known for its performance, it's also got a lot of driver convenience. For example, the driving pilot assist, lane keep assist, and you've even got the parking assistance package, which includes Parktronic. So that includes a reversing camera and front and rear sensors. So it's got plenty of features which help you in assisting you drive the vehicle and avoid any unnecessary collisions. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any questions about the AMG C43 estate behind me, then please do get in touch. Or if you have any questions about any other vehicles in our stock, again, just give us a call or email. We have left a link to our website.